You ever had a bunch of Tic Tacs in your mouth? You just put a bunch of Tic Tacs and you don't know what to do with it anymore, so you just suck. Pause. I got a bunch of Tic Tacs in my mouth. Right before I started filming. No ASMR. Boys Planet. I've been seeing a lot of it on TikTok. Mostly like the ones that are like, I guess, are considered cringe. Or I've seen some good performances too, but nothing to spoil me really. So I'm very curious. I kind of want to check it out. And basically what I'm saying, I'm going to be checking out right now, at least episode 1 and 2 on Twitch right now. I'm live right now. If you want to come through and join me and watch Boys Planet with me. Don't know what to expect. I watched Girls Planet 999, which obviously ended up as being Kepler. That was a fun time on Twitch. Maybe I can make like some type, if you're not able to make it, maybe I can make some type of highlight, like Twitch highlights, so you guys can keep up to date and like if you're interested. But yeah, live on Twitch right now. We're gonna be checking Boys Planet, and it should be a good time. I guess I don't know what to expect, but it is a reality show, and if you know anything about reality shows, then yeah, it's gonna be some drama. Live right now on Twitch. Link in the description. Go check it out, and I'll probably post some highlights sometime soon after. So yeah, at least episode 1. To see how it does, and if you guys really enjoyed it and you guys are watching it and liking it, then I'll post episode 2 as well. Not the whole thing, just cuts. Alright, peace out. See you guys there. Say hi. If you can't make it, just come by to say hi, and then, you know, you can bounce, whatever. But yeah. Alright, y'all. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.